Discipline has got the connotation of ingredients of all leadership quality.
Yes, definitely.
Belongingness.
Yes.
Everything is
Connected to that. I'm sorry.
So this
So
is
when you took your team to the war, और जब आप posted हो रहे थे, that time your war cry was छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज की जय, and that maybe वो एक लाइन बोलने से ही सबके रोंगटे खड़े हो जाते थे, and that sentence itself gives you so much of energy to fight. और one more thing, जब भी हम शब्द सुनते हैं मिलिट्री या फिर सोल्जर, दिमाग में एक डायरेक्टली करस्पॉन्डिंग वर्ड आ जाता है डिसिप्लिन, and discipline obviously gets equal to punishment. Unless you give punishment, you cannot be
No,
disciplined.
you're wrong.
Yes, sir.
Discipline has got the connotation of ingredients of all leadership quality.
Yes, definitely.
Belongingness.
Yes.
Brotherhood.
Yes.
Your bravery. Everything is
Connected to that.
so discipline in the force is very, very important.
Yes.
To give an example, if you go to any Fauji establishment, especially in Maratha regiment or any regiment, outside CEO's office there is a full-fledged glass mirror. Likewise, staff officer, likewise second level. Before you enter into the CEO's office, you have to check your uniform and then enter.
Okay.
What it means, you are well dressed.
Well dressed.
मराठीत म्हण आहे, एक हात आदमी 10 नूर कपडा. माणसाची अवकात काही नसते, पण कपडे घालून सजवला की बिकम्स अ राजा.
Yes.
सो दॅट इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. फौजमध्ये सगळ्यात इम्पॉर्टंट फिजिकल फिटनेस. द पर्सन हू इज फिजिकली फिट इज मेंटली अलर्ट.
Yes.
In crisis in command, he will never give a wrong order. He'll give a logical order. That's why we insist on a physical fitness. For example, in commando course, last leg you'll have to run 42 kilometers
Continuously.
with 37 kgs vajan.
Oh.
Your rifle
Yes.
to compensate the weight, they put the bricks in your sack.
Sack.
After having run that, you have come to the water point where there is a talab, there is a rope, hanging rope. You have to climb, go through that rope, do the monkey crawl,
Okay.
or 3 dips, commando so-and-so, commando so-and-so, and
On that rope.
then jump into the water. After having come out of the water, you have to run next 100 meters. There is a firing range. You have to fire 5 rounds. So that is what is training. Why all these things? If a leader is physically fit, he will never give a wrong order.
Yes.
So
Right.
therefore, we insist on 2 things. Discipline means your turnover should be meticulous.
Yes.
Because as an officer in the infantry battalion, there are 1,000 men. You are under surveillance of 2,000 eyes.
Yes.
They watch you, how you walk, how you salute, how you talk to others, how you sit, how you eat. All these things, that makes your personality.
Yes.
That's why they call cadets gentleman cadet. You have to learn all these things. Small little thing.
Yes, sir.
घरात आपल्याला आई पण सांगते की जेवताना 5 बोटं तोंडात गेली पाहिजे.
गेली पाहिजे. बरोबर.
ही आपली शिकवण आहे.
Yes.
नंतर जेवताना तोंडात आवाज नाही झाला.
नाही झाला पाहिजे.
This is being taught first initial 7 days what is known as the etiquette manners. So if you want to occupy the dining table, someone will be sitting there. So you'll have to say, excuse me. Pull the chair very diligently. Sit. After that, say thank you.
Yes.
If you have served the food, waiter will come from the left. He'll show it to you. If you want to get served, otherwise he goes. But you are not supposed to grab it. That is what is done. That is what is the discipline. So discipline has got very, very important segment in the training of a cadet right from the NDA, IMA, OTS Madras. Nowadays, girls are being inducted. Now they also undergo all these things.
Like, is it physically possible for girls?
Of course, they are doing it. The last batch, 106 girls passed out from NDA. That is the first batch.
Yes.
They have done all these things. Jungle run, trek, climbing hills, doing all
With the weights.
37 kg.
So now are they getting ready to fight, like to be on the border?
Of course, they are manning the post. They are flying helicopters loaded
Yes,
with the guns and all
yes.
that. They are there. There is no difference between a male and female.
Yes, sir.
When they get their puberty age, the doctor is there. That time they are given 10 days chutti because you go very weak.
Yes.
Vagara, 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 you know that.
Yes.
So there is no difference. When this is credit goes to Mr. Sharad Pawar. When he was the Raksha Mantri, our three chiefs were very adamant that how girls will do this. What about their puberty age? He said, nothing doing, this is my order. When the Americans can do it, French army does it, Israel army does it, why not? And our girls are much smarter than all this.
Yes, definitely.